Join us Saturday, October 12th in Cincinnati at the Elite Welding Academy Fall Welding Competition.
Every participant will receive $1,000 off tuition.
First place is going to be a full scholarship to EWA.
Second place gets $5,000 off in tuition, and third place gets $2,500 off in tuition.
Plus compete in Oxy fuel grinding and cutting competitions.
And for lunch, enjoy delicious beef brisket and take part of our random giveaways throughout the entire day.
Tour our school, learn about exciting opportunities, best of all, win awesome prizes.
Only 120 slots available, so register fast.
Bring up to 2 guests and see all that EWA has to offer.
And a huge thanks to all of our sponsors, including Outlaw Leather, Pipeliners Cloud, CK Worldwide, Welding Caps by Lori, and many more.
So don't miss your chance to showcase your skills and explore Elite Welding Academy. Register today.